Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Yaris headlight bulb. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and opening the hood to access the headlight housing. Remove the battery cover or wheel liner if needed, unplug the bulb connector, and twist out the old bulb. Install the replacement bulb by avoiding skin contact, secure the connector, test the light, and reassemble the covers. Gather the tools and parts before you begin: gloves, flat screwdriver, and the correct bulb type for your model. Protect the bulb from oils and handle it by the base only, and note the bulb orientation before removal. Work in daylight or use a flashlight to see connections clearly, and keep screws and clips in a small container. Take gentle care with plastic tabs to avoid breaking them while you access the housing. After installation, reconnect the battery and turn on the headlights to confirm proper operation and beam alignment. If the new bulb flickers, check the connector for corrosion or loose wires and replace the connector if needed. For alignment issues, adjust the aiming screws on the headlight housing gradually until the beam pattern matches specifications. If problems persist, consult a service manual or consider visiting a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.